My name is George Pitts. I work at the Asheville office for America's Home Place, and I'm an assistant project manager. Under my project manager, I run around and I kind of be his eyes on because he can't always be there. I'll take a blueprint out and I'll go through and make sure all the windows in the right places and just more or less go through and do quality control checks. You're treated like family. When they walk through the door, our salespeople, they walk up and I hear them all the time talk to somebody like they known them all their life. And I say, well, was that a family member? I said, no, it's a new homeowner looking to buy. People feel comfortable as soon as they walk in the door and start talking to somebody. I think it relaxes them. I think that's why we do so well here in Asheville. We have a good reputation because we do what we say. When people ask us to do something, we do it. I think America's Home Place is becoming one of the largest scattered lot home builders in America is because of word of mouth. And I ask homeowners when I meet them, I said, well, what got you to? Well, my friend built a house with him and they had nothing but good things to say about you. One friend tells a friend, another friend tells two friends, and that friend tells two friends, and it just keeps going. So eventually, I don't see why we won't be across the whole USA.